Welcome to my fourth year project, load sharing on a distributed system. So let's start off with a scenario to introduce the project. Let's imagine that we built a small internet-based company that has exploded in popularity. And because of this, we're receiving slow response times, we have TCP connections timing out, and this is all because our web servers are exploding. They have too much traffic and they can't handle it. So we need a solution. There's many possible solutions. There's load control, caching, sharding, vertical scaling, and load balancing. And that's the topic of my project. So we could horizontal scale the application servers, and then after we do that, we need a way to distribute the load amongst the application servers. And we do that by a load balancer. So a client request comes in, and a load balancer distributes the load to the application servers such that the computational load is evenly distributed amongst all of them. So we don't want one that's highly utilized and one that's slow, not that utilized at all, because that's inefficient. Load balancers can have many different types of load sharing algorithms, so different ways to distribute the load amongst the application servers. And in my project, I explore load sharing algorithms in depth to learn about it at a low level, and so that other people can experiment with it, and also so that other people can extend the load balancer that I made if they choose to. So let's look at a sample of what I did. There's two ways where you can interface with the load distributor code that I made. You can either interface it through a REST API or use the GUI that I made. I'll just show the REST API. So we've containerized the load distributor and 6 processing nodes, and it's on Microsoft Azure. And we can use Postman to send HTTP requests to it. So we can get all the information about the nodes in the network, such as their system CPU utilization. And then we can send work to it. This is prime factoring work. And we get the prime factors map. What's also cool is that I've made a dashboard where you can see statistics about the state of a particular node in the system.